Hi, I'm Joe Mancino, and I teach AP Physics. Welcome to Open House, and welcome to my house, where I teach physics every Wednesday. This is my 16th year teaching physics, although it's only my second year at GHS. AP Physics is a great course to teach because of the diversity of exciting topics. We start with the basics, with force and motion, with energy and momentum. Our students explore the gravitational interactions between stars and the planets that orbit them, waves and sound, electricity, circuits, and magnetism. We learn about thermodynamics, optics, and nuclear physics. Through the labs in this course, students measure exciting things with strange tools. We just measured in class the speed of rockets using a stopwatch. Later, we'll count the stars in the sky using just a meter stick and a stopwatch. And then we'll count the extra electrons on a metal sphere using a meter stick and a balance. We'll even measure the width of a human hair, clearly not mine, with a laser. In order to accomplish that, every day is jam-packed with activities. We perform a lab essentially every day. There are times for discussion, argumentation, and resolution, times for thinking quietly, and times for thinking out loud. Our days will have conceptual practice and practice with calculations. Coming at the topics from so many different angles, students will come to know the big ideas of physics around which the AP courses are based. But translating the energy, the spirit of my classroom into this hybrid model has been very challenging. I'm grateful for the flexibility and the enthusiasm that my students bring to the physical classroom as well as the virtual classroom, and their willingness to be patient as we navigate these new waters. Please take time to talk at home about how physics class is going, about how all the classes are going. This year has put a lot of stress on students, and any show of support, big or small, goes a long way to helping them weather this with grace. The criteria and procedures document on the website is roughly the same as you'd see for any other science class, and it's identical to the same document from the other AP physics courses. There's a lot of useful information in that document, but there's no me there. I know that when I meet my own daughter's teachers for the first time, the last thing I want to do is see a 1,500 word document I checked. It's over 1,500 words. My daughter's 11 now, and still all I ever wonder when I meet her teachers is, does this teacher know what they're doing, and do they care about my kid? And I guess that's what you're wondering if you're checking out this video. So the answer is yes to both. So first of all, when I'm not at GHS, I work with the College Board as the high school co-chair of the AP Physics 1 Development Committee. That means that I help develop the AP Physics 1 test and its rubrics every year. Although I chair Physics 1, I also write for Physics 2. These days, what's considered a question leader when we score the exams. That is, I lead the team that trains the people who score the AP exams in early June. Within College Board, I serve as a lead consultant, training new and existing AP physics teachers, as well as a lead teacher who leads a team of teachers that are right now, actually currently right now, producing short daily video tutorials under the guidance of College Board. So when it comes to AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2, yeah, I know what I'm doing. But that means I was also a physics major. I know about the joy of discovering something I never knew before. The way that learning physics changed the way that I look at the world. But I also know about the sense of defeat that students feel when they stare at a problem for 10 minutes and can't even figure out where to start. My class is approachable for all students, and there's something in it for all of them. For introverts, for extroverts, artists, musicians, athletes, philosophers, mathematicians, whichever groups a student is part of, there's something here for all of my students. I honor their hard work by getting my grades in quickly so we can learn from the work we've done. I respect their curiosity by encouraging questions and making sure every student has a voice. And I make sure they feel prepared for the AP exam in May by working on all sorts of released problems throughout the year. If you have questions about how class is going, please ask my students. They will tell you about every technological victory and every Wi-Fi flop. In fact, they're the only people I see at GHS these days. But if you want to know where class is going, if you want to know what we're doing next, or if you have questions about the AP program, please reach out and ask. Email is by far the best way to get in touch with me, and I look forward to someday meeting you in person when this all is over. Until then, please stay in touch, and thank you for watching.